miles an hour. The storm was located near Kings Fork, or 5 miles west of downtown Suffolk, and moving east at 30 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near downtown Suffolk around 9:30, Driver around 9:35, Bowers Hill and Western Branch around 9:45, Deep Creek and Cradock around 9:50, downtown Portsmouth around 9:55, Great Bridge around 10 a.m., and Fentress around 10:05. Other locations impacted include Wilroy, Magnolia, Chesapeake Airport, Herbert's Corner, South Norfolk, Portlock, Hickory, and Greenbrier. The storm has a history of producing destructive winds and large hail. Seek safe shelter now inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 10:15 a.m. Thunderstorm warning for